Welcome. Today we'll learn how to calculate weekly, monthly, and yearly income based on an hourly wage of $17 per hour. Let's start by calculating weekly earnings. For a standard work week of 40 hours, we multiply the hourly rate of $17 by 40 hours. This gives us a weekly income of $680. Let's visualize this as 8 full workdays worth of pay. Now let's calculate monthly income. There are typically 4 weeks in a month, so we multiply our weekly earnings of $680 by 4. This gives us a monthly income of $2,720. We can visualize this as 4 stacks of weekly pay. Finally, let's calculate yearly income. There are 52 weeks in a year, so we multiply our weekly earnings of $680 by 52. This gives us a yearly income of $35,360. Let's summarize our calculations. And there you have it. Now, you know how to calculate your weekly, monthly, and yearly income based on an hourly wage. Thank you for watching.